Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club cryptocurrency forecast for the 13th of October 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. The cryptocurrency forecast will include fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, technical analysis with our daily trade idea and economic calendar, the key events to watch. Fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. On Thursday, Bitcoin made history, breaking out to all-time highs, in fact surging above $5,300, up over 10% on the day, 15% on the week, and in fact over the last month, Bitcoin has increased in value by over 75%. Bitcoin continues to climb higher ahead of upcoming software splits, reports that Goldman Sachs is considering offering Bitcoin trading, rumors that Chinese regulators could reverse the ban of cryptocurrency exchanges and ease restrictions, and even recent geopolitical tension between North Korea and the US, all being supportive factors to Bitcoin at the moment. Bitcoin continues to climb higher as investors look ahead to two upcoming forks in the Bitcoin software code, which previously have also supported and boosted the price of Bitcoin. The previous fork giving rise to Bitcoin Cash, and at the end of this month, investors in Bitcoin are expecting an extra dividend in the form of Bitcoin Gold, which holders of Bitcoin will receive in the same proportion as the amount of Bitcoin they hold by the end of October. This has been yet another catalyst for the acceleration higher in Bitcoin prices. So with that, we'll move over to the chart and we'll talk you through our trade idea. Technical analysis with our daily trade idea. Bitcoin right now is trading at $5,300 at the all-time highs, having now broken out of the neckline of 5,000 here and essentially surged over $300 on Thursday. From a trade idea point of view, I'm looking at two scenarios here with Bitcoin as we head towards the end of the week and as we go into the weekend as well. One of those would be a pullback buy opportunity. So essentially, if Bitcoin was to revisit the previous neckline it has broken out from, which is 5,000, I would be looking at an opportunity to buy essentially on a pullback. So any pullbacks towards 4,900 to 5,100, as long as those get supported, would be buying opportunities now that Bitcoin has broken out of key resistance above $5,000 and it's broken above the all-time highs. So essentially a pullback back to a previous level of major resistance here, then finding a bid. I would look for a re-entry here on Bitcoin in order to take the price back above the all-time highs here yet again. On the flip side of that, I would also look at the potential for a continuation pattern here. So Bitcoin right now is trading at $5,300. The next key psychological area of resistance is 5,500, and beyond that is of course going to be 6,000, which is now certainly within the realm of possibility if you take into account that on Thursday the daily candle here is 500 points. It would only take another equal move here higher in order to actually push the price of Bitcoin up to 5,800 and then 6,000 if we just continue to accelerate higher without Bitcoin putting the brakes on at all here. One of the other cryptocurrencies I would also have on the radar, which is not getting as much attention, is in fact Litecoin, which is up more than Bitcoin on the day on Thursday. So Litecoin is up over 11% on Thursday and has broken out to 1 month highs. And you can see here where Litecoin has been stuck in a very tight range throughout the last month since the correction in September, and on Thursday we've broken out of the apex of a pennant formation. So essentially, whilst Litecoin has been consolidating between $45 to $50, that has provided pressure here for the market to build up momentum for a breakout, and that is exactly what we've seen here on Thursday. And historically, when Bitcoin has broken above all-time highs and continued to accelerate higher, it has also lifted up the price of Litecoin and other major cryptocurrencies as well. Litecoin is currently trading at $56, and in terms of the next major levels of resistance here, now that we've broken above this consolidation and we've essentially got a breakout here where we could start to see more follow through, I would be looking for the potential to Litecoin to come back and retest certainly the next major level of resistance here, which would be $70, which would be approximately a $15 move higher here from Litecoin, taking the price up from 56 back above $70 here. So Litecoin has the potential to accelerate much higher in the coming days here, and I would certainly have this on your watch list as well. If you've missed the move with Bitcoin, keep an eye on Litecoin. Economic calendar, the key events to watch. On Friday, the 13th of October, we will be watching very closely retail sales, which are scheduled for 1:30 London time. The consumer price index, also scheduled for 1:30. We have a number of FOMC members speaking, and also the Baker Hughes US oil rig count, which is scheduled for 6 o'clock London time and can be a catalyst for explosive moves on oil. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Then the private members live trading room is definitely for you. For more information on the private members live trading room, please visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com.